Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get the Canva Pro invite. In order to do so, here we are in canva.com. And what I can tell you is that the only way to get the team invite from Canva Pro is if you get it from a team leader. So somebody needs to be signed up as a team leader, and once they are, then they can send you an invite and you can receive it through your email. If you are the person who is going to be sending the invite, then in order to do so, you are going to need to sign up for Canva Pro. So you can go to canva.com and you can start your free trial. And from there, you can set up your team and you can send out the invite to anybody who is going to be a collaborator. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.